Secrets of the Big Dogs Review. The Secrets of the Big Dog Review. Ebook is a must for internet marketing. This ebook is a must for internet marketing. There is no hype nor BS in this ebook. Before we review the book, kindly be sure to like and share this video. Oh yes, be sure to check disclaimers in the description section. If you ever need to discuss about this video or any other business options, I'm available for consultation. Absolutely no charge. For free consultation, here is the link. Alright, let's see what this book is all about. It's really a journey on a highway of internet marketing success. It lays out step-by-step program. It does not matter whether you're beginner or expert, the book is for you. The ebook tackles information, disinformation, and hype of internet marketing. The book was launched early March 2001. It's definitely an indication of longest continuously running program online. It is obvious the big dogs has withstood the test of time. The big dogs has been revised at least once in each year. Caution, the book has lots of material, please do not skip. It is a step-by-step course on internet marketing. Please do not assume that you know it all. Simply put, if you're a beginner, you will get enlightened. If you're experienced, you'll get refreshed. Essentially, the Big Dogs is about basics of marketing. My strong suggestion is very simple, that once you get familiar with the book, you may want to give this book away to your team members. The Big Dogs is the best resource for traffic generation know-how. Additionally, Stan Stuchinski, who's the author of this book, is available for guidance. Book is indeed valuable because it is highway to internet marketing. In addition, the book offers as an option CHIP program, which serves as a car to make marketing a success. What you learn in the ebook, you can practice that in the CHIP program to drive path of success. What is success is defined in our terms is making money online using internet marketing. And of course the ebook. CHIP is an abbreviation, Coordinated High Income Portfolio. Once again, Coordinated High Income Portfolio. Like I said earlier, CHIP is an optional program. You do not need to follow it. However, it is highly recommended if you want to make money through the program. CHIP will reduce your marketing time. CHIP will also reduce your marketing cost. CHIP will also generate a targeted prospect, which will turn into leads, and the leads will become your future money generator. All in all, CHIP will generate 19 income streams. Some of those income streams are source of residual income on autopilot. Residual income means income coming month after month. CHIP is affordable, especially if you add to the program as you progress. So slowly, surely you'll add up and you will start seeing the revenues coming into your portfolio. The reason CHIP is successful because it includes programs that demonstrate stability, generates good quality traffic, and programs are reliable in paying commissions regularly. Program ensures that it must produce sales. When you really think about it, CHIP is the really old way of doing the funnel, which builds massive downline. Big Dogs explores in-depth marketing aspect of internet. Big Dog stresses that one program is not enough to generate enough revenue for you. It just does not cut it. Diversification is absolute must. Big Dog emphasizes 3 concepts. Number 1, it generates leads massively. Number 2, it earns you while you're marketing whatever business you're pursuing, and you're getting as much as 18 streams of income. And number 3, it slashes your marketing time. Eventually, you'll only spend less than an hour a day. We'll be adding a bonus to this book. Basically, we'll show you the way to get paid for leads. So using the strategies of Chip and the Big Dogs, you will also generate lead for which you'll get paid. If you ever need to discuss any of the program issues or business consultation, I'm available for consultation at no charge. Please feel free to contact me. Here's my link. Once again, note it's free consultation. Thank you. I sincerely thank you for watching the video. Kindly be sure to comment on how this video has helped you, or if you have any questions, please indicate in the comment section and I will answer the questions. Thank you. Once again, please be sure to like, share, and comment on the video.